What's up, everybody? It is Denton and Doyle with DD Audio, and we have a brand new product for you off our motorcycle line. Kevin, tell us what is going on here.
All right, what we have here is the HD8-SBK. It's our new better, smarter bag mount system for speakers. And the cool thing about it is you're not going to take up your whole bag just to get bass. So you get half of it for bass and the other half for space.
That's exactly what I was about to say. Looks like there's an enclosure here and some bungee cords and a nice looking grill up front.
Yeah. So the enclosure, that's actually going to give you better sound, better bass response. The bungee cords are part of the utility tray system that's built into this, so you can put your cell phone, your wallet, your keys, your sunglasses, whatever. And then you've got your grill here, which is going to protect the speaker from any debris as you're going down the road.
Awesome. What kind of testing have you guys had time to put this through?
Testing wise, just real world testing, man. We've put these things on many bikes. We've tested basically all of our VO series speakers in this, and yeah, we've got all different levels of performance that you can put just with this one bag.
We got a few more questions. You said it was entirely US made, so what all comes with the kit when we buy it?
Okay, with the kit, you're going to get the enclosure, which consists of a front panel, top panel, and your speaker mount. Then you're going to get the grills that we talked about already. And then the accessories that come with it is your mounting hardware, your router templates.
And you mentioned earlier about the VO series speakers. What kind of versatility will this handle?
This bag will work with all of our 8-inch VO series, everything from the VO-M and MN, which will be like your mid-range speakers. It'll also work with the VO-W, which is the most popular speaker with this kit. It gives you some nice, efficient mid-bass. And then it'll actually even work with our RL-SW08, which is a true subwoofer if you really want to get some bass in your bags. And one thing I forgot to mention, all the speakers are actually water resistant, so that's another thing you don't have to worry about.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's the new HD8-SBK from DD Audio. You can get these at your local DD Audio dealer. If you don't know where that is, just go to www.ddaudio.com/dealers and find a dealer near you today. We'll see you next time.